Have you ever wanted to share a contact with someone on Messenger, whether it's a business associate or a friend? Sharing contacts can be a helpful feature. In this video, we'll show you how to share a contact from Messenger. This is an easy and convenient way to connect with others. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Messenger and go to a certain chat. To share a contact from Messenger, open the app and go to the chat with the person you want to send the contact to. Step 2. Tap on the person's name. Next, tap on the person's name at the top of the chat screen. This will bring up the person's profile screen. Step 3. Tap on More Actions. In the person's profile screen, there will be an option to tap on More Actions. Tap on this option to access additional options. Step 4. Tap on Share Contact. In the More Actions section, you'll see an option to share contact. Tap on this to access your contact list. Step 5. Select the recipient. Find the contact you want to share and select the Messenger recipient you want to send it to. You can also add a message to your contact share if desired. Step 6. Send the contact. Once you have selected the recipient, tap on Send to send the contact. The recipient will receive the contact as a message in their Messenger inbox. Sharing a contact from Messenger is an easy and convenient way to connect with others. Remember that you can share contacts with anyone on Messenger, whether it's a business associate or a friend. We hope this video has been helpful for you. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content from us. Thanks for watching.